Hey guys, this is Sean from Williams AV Systems, and today we're going to be taking a look and also installing the Yi Dome camera. Now this camera is a 720p camera which can pan, tilt, and zoom, which means it can pan left to right, tilt up and down, and zoom in and out. Also, we have a Samsung Evo 32GB memory card which we'll be installing in our camera to capture the video that's being recorded to the camera. Now let's open the box and get started. Okay, so the first thing we have are our instructions to set up the camera. The next thing we have is a manufacturer's warranty, and here we have an advertisement on the different cameras that Yi sells. Now this is the Yi Dome camera. Now if you take a look here in the back, this is a slot for your SD card. Now once you insert your SD card, you can remotely view whatever is captured on the SD card via your phone or your computer. Next to that, we have our charging port, and next to that, there's a reset button, which will reset the camera back to its manufacturer's default settings. Also in the box, we have our power cable, our power brick, and last but not least, the ceiling wall mount to mount our camera to the ceiling. Now this is a pretty cool mount, very easy to attach to the camera. All you do, you mount this to your ceiling with your anchors, flip your camera upside down. This sits in the base of your camera, and then you twist it on. Hold on. Sorry, I turned it the wrong way. You twist it counterclockwise, and your camera will be locked into place. To release the camera, twist it clockwise, and then you'll be able to release your camera from the ceiling. And that's everything that comes in the box, so let's get started with the install. Now in our installation, we're going to be mounting our camera to the ceiling. So the first thing we need to do is secure our ceiling mount to the ceiling. To do this, we will mark our holes with the mount provided with the camera. Then we will drill our holes to the appropriate size to accommodate our drywall anchors. Now that you have your anchors secured into the ceiling, you can now screw your ceiling mount into the anchors. Okay, now that we got the wall mount up, let's put our memory card in our camera. So you want the face side up. We're gonna just slide that in there, and you'll hear that click. And now we're gonna put our power cord in, just like this. All right, and now we are ready to attach it to our ceiling mount. Now with the power plug and memory card plugged into the camera, we can now attach the camera to the ceiling mount. To do so, simply place the camera over the ceiling mount and turn counterclockwise. You'll feel the camera lock. Once you feel the camera lock, the camera will be secured to the ceiling mount. Once you have your camera mounted to your ceiling mount, you can now plug it into a wall outlet. Once you plug your camera into an electrical outlet, your camera will turn 180 degrees. When the camera turns a full 180 degrees, you will hear a humming like this. This is normal in the camera's boot up stage. The humming will stop after a few seconds, and then you will hear the camera say this.
Welcome to Yi Home Camera. Waiting to connect.
Once you hear this, you can now set up the camera through the Yi Home mobile app. Okay, so we just downloaded the Yi Home app from the App Store, and now we're ready to connect it up to our camera. So first things first, we want to allow notifications that way the camera to send us notifications for the alerts that we set up for it. Here on this screen, we're going to set up our login, which will be our email, username, and also password. After you finish this, you'll get an activation link sent to your email address, which you have to confirm in order for you to continue the setup process for your camera. Once you confirm the activation link that was sent to your email, you can now use your login to sign into the Yi Home app. So we're going to click agree on our terms and conditions. Now we're going to select the camera which we'll be installing, which is the Yi Dome camera. And now from this point on, all we have to do is follow the instructions that are on the screen. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video of the installation and also setup of the Yi Dome camera. Please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and also subscribe to this YouTube page. Feel free to leave any questions, comments below. Until next time, this is Sean from Williams AV Systems.